Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the upper income area of Norbrook, known as Ebony Glades, is this fully refurbished unit that will easily become the new occupant's sanctuary of comfort and sophistication. On entering through your 7 feet high pivot door, you are greeted by bright open spaces with multifunctional areas for dining or family gatherings, allowing easy access to a chef's kitchen with lots of cupboards and pantry spaces, including an appliance hut and drawers for fresh produce. In the words of Samuel Taylor Coleridge, your primary bedroom is a sight to dream of, but not to tell. However, we must tell you about the his and hers showers, double sinks, and the spacious walk-in closet. Your other bedrooms all enjoy ensuite bathrooms of the highest quality. You will enjoy large indoor and outdoor entertaining spaces, an office, and a detached workroom, guest suite, and teen playroom. There is also a gardener's room, water tanks, generator, drying yard, and well-fruited gardens. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 5,000 or Jamaican $769,500 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.